Hi scholars, today I'm going to teach you to multiply using the lattice strategy. Let's get started with a problem. Our problem is going to be 58 times 24. So the great thing about the lattice method is that it's a series of boxes. So let's get started with drawing our boxes. Your boxes don't have to be perfect. My boxes are not. Okay, so you're making a box, a line here, a line there. You're going to split this that way, make sure the lines come out, split this like so, and split this like so. Next, we are going to add our numbers. I'm going to add 58 up here. I'm going to add 24 right here. I just want to actually change my numbers a little bit. Let's actually work with a different color. Let's work with pink. So I'm starting here with the numbers in my ones place. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm writing 1 and 6. Then I'm moving over. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm writing 1 right here in the tens place, 0 in the ones place. Now I'm here. It says 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. I'm writing 3 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. Now I'm moving over to 5 times 4. I'm writing a 2 in the tens place and a 0 in a ones place. So now scholars, my next step is going to be to add everything up. Let's look for a different number to add everything up. I'm going to start from here. 2 plus 0 is 2. I am going to bring that over. Now here I see 6 plus 3 plus 0. So I am going to put 9. I know that 6 plus 3 is 9. Then here I see 1 plus 2. That's not a 2, that's a 0. 1 plus 0 plus 2, and that is 3. And here I have a 1. I'm just going to carry that over 1. So if I am correct, scholars, with this lattice method, the answer to this problem is 1,392.